you ready for a Christmas present? Here we go.
Need some lights on, Anna.
Hold on,
Need some lights on.
yet.
What is it?
What?
Cameras.
Get your camera.
What
ready.
is everybody doing?
Cameras.
We're gonna give you a gift.
Told you they had the best gift for you.
I didn't mean to throw my camera. You look more and more like Mama. Papa's stuck in the car. You're so pretty.
She's wearing too much bracelets like Lacey.
What the? It won't turn off now. You don't look like Christopher.
That's a pretty good surprise.
She don't even sound like it anymore.